is no need forcing words into my mouth. I know you people are here to know what I will do, but I will surprise you people.
Emeka, you are wasting our time and I don't like it. Why did you bring us here if you don't want to talk about the money?
I did not bring you here. You came here on your own. Besides, I don't know why you are here.
Emeka!
Melegagini.
Where are the things I asked you to keep for me?
I sold the land and used the money for Papa's burial.
You did what? You used 15 million naira to bury Papa. Come, Emeka, don't get me angry. Emeka, Ipasuna me now. Give me the things I asked you to keep for me. How can you bury Papa with 15 million naira? Did you bury the whole villagers? Did you bury everybody in this community? Are you mad?
And if I don't give you, what will you do? What will you do? Want to kill me the way you killed Papa? See my head. Oya, use this. Oya, aim here. Aim here. Kill me the way you killed Papa. Rubbish. Rubbish.
Young man.
Old man.
There's no need for you beating about the bush. If actually you sold the land, what did you do with the money? Because I am very sure you did not spend up to 2 million naira in burying my brother. Moreover, we the kingsmen, we contributed 300,000 naira for the burial. So what did you do with the money? Eh?
Why am I even here? Answering someone that killed my father. Someone that killed my father. Or is it because she got presidential pardon? Me, I have not pardoned her. I have not pardoned her. She killed my father. Nonsense. Rubbish.
Emeka, why are you wasting time dragging this issue? You sold the land and you used part of the money for your father's burial. Where is the remaining money?
And who are you?
Emeka, where is the document for the Sachet Water Company? Where is the document for her poultry farm? Because we went there and the whole place were closed. Where are the things Adoma gave you to keep for her?
Obina, who are you to ask me that useless question? Who are you? See, let me tell you people, I owe nobody any explanation. I owe nobody any explanation. Is this the reason why you people called me here? I'm living here now.
What? Leave.
Don't even get talking without giving us a tangible answer. Emeka, are you okay? Am I not making it easy? Obinna, you came to my house to harass me, to fight me, Obinna, and I will harass you if you don't give us a good answer. Where are the things Adoma gave you to keep for her? Oh, she brought you to fight me, to kill me the way she killed Papa. Now it's my turn. We are dying one by one. I see. She brought you to kill me, Obinna. Obinna, kill me.
Please, sit down. Nobody's stepping out of this place until we are done.
Says who?
Says me.
And how dare you pull me down? Are you—
Shut up! Are you mad? Listen, do I look like your ex-husband to you?
Wait, you slapped my wife, my life. Oh, but you called my wife. Tell me what more. Are you mad? Are you crazy? Where are the things Adoma gave you to keep for her? Emeka? If you do anyhow, I'll slap your face. What is wrong? Listen. Just touch me. Now bust your head, Emeka. Are you mad? Just touch me. Just touch me. You idiot. Are you not seeing the
Sit down.
Just touch me, idiot.
Go on.
Where are the things Adoma gave you to keep for her?
It's not pointing to us.
Baby.
Not towards you.
Baby, let's get to her side, please.
To do what?
Are you not seeing the gun? Emeka, you're wasting my time.
No.
We are wasting his time.
No, I'm not going.
wasting my time, Emeka.
I'm not going.
Where are the things Adoma gave you to keep for her? See, let me tell you, there is trouble. See, we have to give them the remaining money. Please.
Which money are you talking about? Oga, you are not getting a dime from that money.
See, I'm not asking you for a dime. This is no time for dimes. See, that guy over there, Obinna, I knew him way back in school. He's a cultist, hitman.
How is that my business? It's your cross. Carry it yourself. Excuse me.
Come on, come here first now. Excuse you. Where are you going to? I'm not hearing what I'm saying.
Emeka, did you touch me? Are you mad? Wait, so the money you've been flanking and throwing around belongs to your sister, not even you.
Lower your voice now, lower your voice. See, I did it to make you happy now. Were you not happy?
I also made you happy. So, let's just say this is my compensation. Because I deserve some compensation.
What are you saying?
What I'm trying to say is that you're not getting a dime from that money. Let's say I've settled myself from the money you gave me to keep for you.
No, now, come now, wait now. It's not fine now, it's not nice now. Please.
So you want me to give this check to you? Never. Stop! Stop!
Give you what?
Give it back!
Give you what?
I go beat you. I
Give
go
you
show you
what?
say I be area. Oh.
I
go wash you. Now they use money they play. Oh. And now they use money they play. Oh. I go beat you. I go beat you for you. See they do you. It is how they look face when money they involve. You don't believe me.
Look at this two shameless idiots.
So you think you can run forever?
Okay.
Where is my money? And why did you sell my house while I was on the sick bed? You made away with my car.
I did not sell it them. No. I did not sell
You are
anything.
heartless. So it is true. From the very first start we met, you are using voodoo on me.
Hey.
No, I can explain.
So it is true.
Will you shut up?
You are once married.
You are mad.
Hey.
Follow me, let's go and settle this.
We can sort it out right here now. Please. Let's sort it out now.
Sir, where are you taking her to? We have a lot to settle with her.
We need to settle this. Follow me now.
Where? Police station.
Follow me.
Madam, follow us.
Wait, is it a peaceful settlement?
Who was that guy with police?
Are you ready to bring the money now?
Obinna, calm down now. Bring the gun down now. But see, Obinna, inside this account, we have 10 million naira. This is the check.
What about her property?
As for the poultry, Jad is with the documents. For the pure water sachet company land, that's where we build our car wash. Yes, that's where we build our car wash.
I'm giving you 2 days to recover everything from her.
Obinna, please. They have taken her away. Why
I said,
not?
shut up!
Why not?
Did you hear that?
Give them the 2 days now.
Did you hear that?
Well, Obinna, take this is her shoes. Just minus the money.
I will handle this.
Obinna, this is her
Let's go
shoe
back
too.
to the hospital.
Obinna, just minus this shoe from the money, please. I will see what I can do for the balance. This is her shoe. You are so angry. Why not? Take the shoe now. This is her shoe. You can even wear it. Obinna, take the shoe. I bought this shoe very expensive. Please, take the shoe and be minusing the money. Obinna, take the shoe and be minusing the money.
I'm giving you 2 days
Obinna, why not give her 2 days?
2 days
Obinna, I have no money in
to
my
recover
account.
everything from her.
Obinna, I bought this shoe very expensive. Don't leave this shoe for me. Oh. Where will I get this money in 2 days? Oh, Binna, Bikonunu.
Don't get me angry. Don't get me upset.
Jeff, are you shouting at me? Are you shouting at me? Hey! Is this what I get for taking care of you when everyone turned their backs against you? If you want peace to reign, go in there, get dressed, and let's get married today.
You must be out of your mind. So you expect me to get married to you looking like this? You caused this, remember? It was your fault.
Is this supposed to be a joke? Is this a joke? So because you lost one eye, you're calling off my wedding? Therefore, don't provoke me. Don't provoke me! Go in there, get dressed, you're getting married.
Becky, no wedding until I can see again. I'm sorry.
Jidiofo. Jidiofo! If this is a joke, you better stop it! Else you will see on the other side of me, I'll do something stupid!
Something stupid like what? What else can you do that you haven't done before? You think I'm scared of you? Do you think I'm afraid of you? No, I'm not!
So you now talk back at me, simply because I asked for my rights!
You must be out of your mind.
How ungrateful and unfair can you be?
Please excuse me.
You're wicked. Jidiofo, you're heartless!
Look at my eyes, for crying out loud! Look at my eye!
What has that got to do with our wedding?
I'm literally blind! And you expect me to get married to you like this in church? You must be out of your mind.
Are you getting married to me with your eye? Are you weakling?
You called me a weakling?
Yes, you are!
Oh, okay. Listen, I know I'm not perfect, okay? But the last thing I'll do is get married looking like this!
You're evil, you're evil.
Listen, my friend, don't touch me again! Are you crazy?
You're evil. You're evil. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
No peace for the weekend. No peace for the weekend. Tired. No peace for the weekend. No peace for a heartless fellow. No peace for the weekend. See that? See. As you make your bed, I saw you lie on top. The measure you give, I saw you go receive. Whatever you sow, now him you go reap. Oh, I saw you come to. I, sister, make you watch when you dey perform. A never act to someone's family. And you the fam say, now you wise pass, but you don't know what
Hit her.
is
Hit her harder. Hit him back. Hit him back. Hit him back. Hit him back. Harder. Okay, hit her. Hit. Yes. Kill yourselves. Hit her. Yeah. Two of you. Kill yourselves. Idiot. Kill yourself. Hit. Hit her. Hit him. Very harder.
As you make your bed, I saw you lie on top. The measure you give, I saw you go receive. Whatever you sow, now him you go reap. Oh, I saw you come to do. I, sister, make you watch when you dey perform. I never act to someone's family. And you the fam say, now you wise pass, but you don't know what lies ahead. Oh, while I go come hug you. Trouble will go, come sit down for your lap.
What is it? Why are you following me? Are you crazy? Don't hit me again.
You're mad.
Don't hit me again. Are you... See,
stop hitting me!
You're pregnant.
If you hit me again, I will leave this house.
I don't want to hurt you. You're pregnant.
If you hit me again, I will leave this
You're
house.
You're pregnant. I don't want to hurt you.
I'll leave this house and I will not come back. That's it. I'm leaving this house. I'm leaving this house for good.
You can go.
Even if you beg with your life, you kneel down with all your world. I will not forgive you and I will not take you back.
He not go beg you. Come they go. Why go beg you? You think the man? He not go beg you.
So you will not come and kneel here and beg me?
You don't spoil. Come they go. Come they go.
It will never be well with you.
You don't spoil. You know they walk again. Come they go.
Who opened that gate?
Let me open up. Now my job I they do.
Are you stupid?
Is it? I see this.
Are you stupid?
Why? I don't say they well. I don't say the five will go kill you. Not me go kill you. But you don't spoil. You know they walk. Come they go.
I will deal with you.
I know you.
I will come back for you.
I not be my oga.
I will come back for you.
I not be my oga. You cannot do with me anything.
Illiterate.
Come they go. I see the sweet us. You depend them. I see they pay them. You the sweet us. Come they go. In your next life, start to the new juju. Don't fire you. At least my oga don't get himself. My oga I don't clear. Oga.
Hey. Power, please help me. He has changed. He has really changed. Before now, he never used to raise his voice. But today, he hit me really hard. Help me.
What did you do?
Nothing, no. Me? Nothing at all.
What did you do to your best friend?
I don't understand. Power. I don't know any best friend. I don't have a best friend.
Why did you tell me that the woman you wanted to tie her husband was your best friend? And the man is married. Why didn't you tell me?
I thought I did.
You thought?
But didn't I tell you?
Is that supposed to be a question or what?
No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. See, she was bragging about him. She even made a bet.
Then what did you do to them?
Helly, are you standing by? She's on her way already. Call Jidofor immediately. It's not a matter of what you can do. The question is, can you do a clean job? Yes, that's what I want. A clean job. Good. Ada, I'm sorry, but I just have to do this. Just help me. This last time, help me, please.
You have provoked the spirit I'm working for.
I agree, okay. Yes, I provoked them. I'm sorry. I won't do it again. I won't do it again. Just this once. Help me, please.
Don't let me end up in shame, please. Help me.
Your destiny is in your hands now. There's nothing I can do for you again.
Please. Please. Okay, I can give you money. Plenty money. Any amount. Whatever you want. Just name it. Please, help me.
You think it is all about money? It is not all about money. The woman you chased out of her husband's house has been the one paying my children's school fees over the years. And she has also been providing food for this family.
Okay, I understand. I understand everything you're saying. It's not like I don't understand. Let's do this. Whatever she has been giving you, multiply it 1,000 times. Add another 1,000 to it. I would pay. Oh, please, help me.
You just got into the house, started treating my son like a slave.
Your son? Who is your son?
The gate man.
What?
And Papa, even yesterday she slapped me. Ojo, my ear. This side.
Please. I agree. I actually did it. And I'm sorry. I never knew it was your son. Please, forgive me. Help me beg your father. Please.
So
I promise you, I'll start treating you better from now on. I will treat you better than my husband. I promise. Please, help me.
So you can actually beg. Yeah? So you can beg like this. Hey.
Please. I swear with my life.
Don't you swear in my house. Don't swear, or I lose it.
Papa, Biko lose it.
I say, will you leave this place?
Papa, lose it.
Please, just help me.
Get out of my house. Go, will you get out of my house?
Also.
Get out before I lose it. Get out.
Go. Papa, should I push him?
No, leave her alone. Go, get away. I see how stupid she looks.
Papa, you need to see the kind of slap. Here, even here is sleeping in me.
Why did you not tell me? Let me bend that hand.
I don't even know if...
Now so you go receive whatever you saw. Now him you go read. Oh, now so come I sister make you watch when you dey perform and never act to someone's family. And you the fam say now you wise pass, but you don't know what lies ahead. Oh, while I go come hug you, trouble will go come sit down for your lap. Cause no peace for the wicked, oh, no peace, oh. No peace for the wicked. No peace for the wicked. Yeah. No peace for the wicked. No peace for the no peace for a heartless fellow.
Wait. Please.
What?
Please, I want to beg you. Help me talk to your father.
Did you inform me before going to him at the first place? Listen, go and finish your business with him.
I know what the problem is. I promise from today, henceforth, I won't treat you badly anymore. Please.
Listen, I don't care how you treat me. All I'm happy about is that my boss can now get himself.
I'll give you money. I will increase your salary. And I'm ready to pay your father weekly. Whatever you want, just name it.
This one you're sounding this way. It seems there is a condition in what my father did for you.
Yes, there is. He said that...
I don't care what you said. Listen, all I know is that if God does not punish you, Satan definitely punish you.
What do I do? Where do I go from here? I think I should just go back to him. Yes.
Oga, how is your eye?
What's going on?
Oh, nothing is going on. Going on where? What is going on where?
I feel there's something wrong with me. I feel caged.
That means the juju where should do don't they come out for your body small.
What do you mean juju?
The juju.
And so you go receive whatever you sow. Name you go reap. Oh, now so come I sister make you watch when you dey perform and never act to someone's family. And you the fam say now you wise pass, but you don't know what lies ahead. Oh, while I go come hug you, trouble you go come sit down for your lap. Cause no peace for the wicked, oh, no peace, oh. No peace for the wicked. No.
What are you doing here?
Do you know you're wicked? So you could not even come and look for me?
What are you doing here? Listen, Becky, I need to be alone, okay? I need to focus on myself. I need to focus on regaining my sanity, please.
You must apologize to me. Go ahead.
Madam, so you are not even tired? Are you not tired of polishing this Maoga? Yeah? Even your prophet has already told you that you are now on your own.
Stay out of this. Okay? As for you, you're taking me to the registry tomorrow and you're getting married to me. That's fine now.
Hey,
I heard you say prophet. What do you mean prophet?
Oga, no worry about what I talk. Right now, you need cleansing.
Cleansing?
You need to clean your body spiritually and physically with coconut water.
From what?
Don't worry. When I'm done with what I want to do, then we can now talk. At this point, yeah, you need cleansing. Spiritually and physical, you need cleansing with coconut water. I have to clean your body now. Cleanse your body.
Clean my body from what?
Don't worry until I'm done with what I'm doing. Stop asking. Now I'm in charge. I'm your organ now. Just follow my instruction. I have to get my coconuts now. I have one coconut in my room. If I get it now, I'll clean your body, spiritually and physically. Then you see what will happen. Just hold on. No. Don't bother yourself. Don't panic. I'm coming back now.
No peace for no peace for a heartless fellow. No peace for the way. See that? See, as you make your bed, I saw you lie on top. The measure you give.
Spiritually and physically, coconut water cleans my. This guy's crazy, man.
Sister make you watch when you dey perform and never act to someone's family. And you the fam say now you wise pass, but you don't know what.
I get the solution, okay? No panic, no worry.
What is this?
Coconut I told you about.
So what am I supposed to do?
Would they jam question? Now jam question. Would they class? Hold on, I'm going to put the water here now. Then give it to you. You take half. Use half to clean your face. Just hold on. Bam! This one about eating but okay.
What?
Drink half of this. Eh? Use half to clean your face, to wash your face. Take.
Wait, you expect me to drink this?
You will drink it now. I said drink half. Then use half to wash your face.
It's dirty.
Ha! Oh, all these rich men will get money. The 2 days. Dirty how?
Are you sure there are no bacteria inside?
Bacteria. Bagene. There is something. This is coconut water from up. God create water, enter coconut where they up. If they call them dirty. How is it dirty? Take my instruction, take half. Then use half to wash your face. You just have to wash your face.
I should wash my face.
Oh God. I'm in charge now.
This?
This. Wash your face.
What's happening here?
You don't walk.
Where's my wife?
Is that?
Where's my wife?
Ask me again.
My wife!
So you cannot come inside and beg me.
What are you doing here?
What am I doing where?
What are you doing here?
You know what? Let's just go inside and plan the wedding. Let's go.
Wait. I hope this is not what I am thinking.
Okay. It's what you are thinking, and you better start sending her out of this place now.
Don't listen to this lunatic. Let's go inside and plan the wedding.
Hey, come here! Get out!
What?
I said get out.
Sorry?
I said leave this place now.
You know they hear English again. Okay. Leave.
Fine. Forget about the apology. Let's just go in and plan the wedding. What are you doing?
I will help you. Go.
Cast by lies, ayo, disaster from every way. Oh, disaster, bound of hatred and of jealousy. Disaster from everywhere. Hey, this is wickedness, oh, to scatter a family. Oh, it is devilish, oh. So what would you gain? Oh, this is so mean, oh.
Mama, please forgive me. I didn't know what I was doing. It was yesterday that a man of God delivered me from her spell.
What suddenly happened to you?
Pepper soup. Yes. She gave me pepper soup.
Ordinary pepper soup?
Not ordinary pepper soup, Mama. She gave me pepper soup. That was it. I lost my memory. On that very day, I was coming back from her dad's house. Yes, the day her dad gave me her house documents. I stopped at a bar to take one ball. That was where I met her. I have it all, baby. Yes, I have it all.
So you think with this Fergus and Pomo, you will win my heart?
Come on, girl. Look at me very well. I am the latest big boy in town. Are you not saying it? Are you not feeling it? See, let me tell you. I just bought myself a new car. Yes. The guy you are sitting with worth over 20 million naira.
Okay. So tell me, what else can you do for me aside this Momo and drink?
The question shouldn't be what I can do for you. The question should be, what do you want, baby girl?
I like that.
What do you want, baby girl?
Okay, let's start with you changing my wardrobe.
Oh, come on, girl. Are you that cheap?
Yes.
I was thinking that you ask me to build you a plaza or better still get you a new car.
Let's start with...
Alright, I'll get you full boutique. But before then, baby girl, I will take you to a good restaurant. So we eat good food and have strength for picking.
I like that.
Yes.
So let me drink up.
Take your time, don't rush it.
Okay.
I'm here for you.
No peace for no peace for a heartless fellow. No peace for the way. See that. As you make your bed, I saw you lie on top. The measure you give, I saw you go receive. Whatever you sow, now him you go reap. Oh, I soon come to I, sister, make you watch when you dey perform. A never act to someone's family. And you the farm say, now you wise pass, but you don't know what lies ahead. Oh, while I go come hug you, trouble you go come sit down for your lap. Oh, cause no peace for the wicked. Oh,
Yeah, make yourself comfortable. Sit. So this is where I manage.
Nice piece.
Hope you like it.
Yeah, it's okay.
Thank you. So tell me, what should I offer you?
I think I'm okay for now. Why not test the clothes? Let me see how it looks on you.
Yes, but I have to go take a shower first.
Okay, that will take time. Before then, I want to use your restroom.
Okay, over there.
Huh?
Yes.
All right.
I think he's worth over 20 million naira. How do I take this money from him? I really need to suck him dry. Suck him dry.
I think she likes me. Yes. Do I need a woman now? But she's beautiful. Let me try my luck then. Yes. Let me try my luck.
I'm sorry for taking long. You know, I just have to make myself clean for you.
You made yourself clean for me?
Yes, what is it? Don't you like what you see? Okay, I have something in the fridge. Let me just go and microwave it for you, alright?
Okay. I think I need to go and come back later.
No! Why? Just relax, alright? I'm not gonna bite you. Oh, look at the frame. What's wrong with you? I'm coming, alright? We're back. Okay, here. Sorry, I don't have a dining. Do you mind helping me? Yeah.
This looks nice.
Sure, I made it.
You made this yourself?
Yes, of course. I cook.
You mean you can cook?
Well trained. Go ahead, enjoy
What is
yourself.
beauty? You can cook.
Come on, stop.
Wow, I love it. Why not join me?
No, I'm fine. Like, I can drink water, but I'm fine. It's just for you. Enjoy yourself. Come on, eat.
Okay.
Good boy.
Yeah.
You like it? I know. Go on. Eat.
woman of God said she put something in that pepper soup. That was why I was under her spell all this while. She was using me, playing me up and down, using me like a toy.
Chai, Emeka, my son, you caused us so much pain.
Yes, Mama, I know. Mama, I am back to my senses right now. Please forgive me.
Mama, she took me to a different from Balaba.
Ah! Hey!
Balaba.
Hey! My child. Zion, is that you?
Yes, Grandma.
Oh. Hey, my child. How are you?
Welcome.
No. Sit on my laps. Sit on my laps. Let me carry you. Hey. So how are you, my child?
I'm not fine, Grandma.
You're not fine? What happened to you?
Grandma, my mommy is not happy because you are not happy with her. Grandma, please forgive my mom.
Oh, my child, I have forgiven your mother. Oh. Hold me tight, my child. Where is your mother? I have forgiven you. I have forgiven you, my daughter. I have forgiven you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Who is this? Emeka, is it you?
Yes.
My child. Let me sit down, my child. Emeka, are you sitting down?
I'm still kneeling down.
No, get up, my son. Get up.
My love, please forgive me. I don't know what came over me. I'm sorry for everything. Please.
I have forgiven you, Jidofo. But I'll never be your wife again.
Come on, don't say that. Zion, please, talk to your mom. Tell her I'm sorry. Ask her to forgive me. I'll never do those things again, please.
I have something more important. Mommy, when are we going to Canada?
My love, we'll be traveling next tomorrow.
Only us, right?
Yes.
And we are not coming back again.
We're going to come back to take Grandma with us.
Yes.
Zion, I said, tell your mother to forgive me.
Mama.
And I said it's not important.
Mama, Obina will take you to an eye specialist. Zion and I will be traveling to Abuja tomorrow.
I see.
Sister, can I say something?
Emeka, you can take care of my property until I decide what to do with them. Okay? Meanwhile, take good care of our mother. Oh, my friend, Barry is here.
Oh, yes! Look at my boy, Zion!
How are you?
Fine, and you?
I'm good. You're looking good. Sweetheart.
My darling, you're welcome.
Thank you. Who is that? Mama.
My friend Perry.
I'm fine.
We should be on our way now.
Yes.
Like I said before, Obina will take you to an eye specialist. Let's go.
All right.
Grandma, bye-bye.
Okay, let's go. Go.
Grandma! You found.
Oh, my child. Do you like it?
Yes, Grandma.
You want to go with it?
Can you just let me go?
Bye-bye, Grandma.
Let's go.
Bye.
Some friends they come like enemies. Some enemies they come like friends. Imagine the pain when someone you trusted so much turn out to be your enemy. This is wickedness, to scatter a family. It is devilish, so what would you gain? This is so mean.
Emeka, who is that person that was asking for forgiveness?
One fair guy like that. Yes.
Fair guy.
Yes. Let's go inside.
One.
Cast by lies, ayo, disaster from every way.
Ross,
What does he want?
they have gone.
No. of hatred and of jealousy, disaster from everywhere. Hey, this is wickedness, to scatter a family. Oh, it is devilish, so what would you gain? Oh, this is so mean, to take away someone's joy. It's an act of heartlessness. Oh, yeah.
So, what do you want me to do? Your wife has traveled overseas with your son. Do you want me to take you to them? Or what do you want me to do?
Becky has finished me. Becky ruined my life.
If you didn't want her to finish you, it wouldn't have happened. If you didn't have an eye on her, you would not have fallen into her web. Therefore, a wise man sees trouble and flees from it. But a foolish man sees it and pleasure in it. You cannot tell me that you never were attracted to that girl before she charmed you.
Papa, you don't understand. She was there for me. Besides, I didn't know Adoma would return from prison soon.
You see, when someone told you that Becky lied to your wife about seeing you with a woman in the hotel, why didn't you confront her?
Because I didn't want to think of Adoma too much. I wanted to get her off my head.
Can you hear yourself speak? No, son, can you just hear yourself speak? Anyway, you have to move on. Adoma has moved on with her life. Maybe when Zion grows up, he might feel the need to come for you.
Papa, my life is a mess. I can't be happy anymore. Everything has fallen apart. Business has gone bad. As we speak, my house has been marked for demolition. If I lose my house, I'll have my shop to rely on. What do I do?
You still have your shop? After all, there are some people who do not, who sleep on the street.
If now blue day house now, they demolish your house again. No, God. No go back to your house like this now. They destroy your house. They destroy your house.
Sorry, what did you say?
Bulldozer, I don't even know with that. They just destroy your house like this.
Papa, I'm finished. I'm finished.
What happened?
Papa, my house was demolished without any prior notice. I've lost everything. Everything is finished. What do I do?
Sorry about your misfortune. But you should have seen it coming. He who gathers an ant-infested wood obviously invites them for a feast. You brought this upon yourself. I think all you should do now is ask God for mercy. want to do with that?
Papa, I want to kill myself. I want to end it all. I want to go and rest.
But then, why didn't you do it in the city? No, I ask, why didn't you use your money to buy a sharper knife in the city and do it there? Okay, go and keep my knife. That is the only tangible souvenir I ever got from the wedding. And if you stain it with blood, you pay for it. What?
Listen, I don't have time for this. Do you understand me? I'm not in the mood. Listen, I am not in the mood to talk about any union taxes. If they want to lock up the shop, if they want to seal it up, I don't care. Huh?
What's the bad news?
What?
Hey. I said, what is the bad news?
Papa, my remaining shop just got burnt.
No peace, oh. No peace for the weekend. No peace for the weekend. No peace for the weekend. Tired, no peace for the weekend. No peace for a heartless fellow. No peace for the weekend. See that, see. As you make your bed, now so you lie on top. The measure you give, now so you go receive. Whatever you sow, now him you go reap. Oh, now so come to I, sister, make you watch when you dey perform an evil act to someone's family. And you the farm say, now you wise pass, but you don't know what lies ahead. Oh, while I go come hug you. Trouble no go come sit down for your lap, oh. Cause no peace for the wicked, oh. No peace, oh. No peace for the weekend. No peace for the weekend. Yeah. No peace for the weekend. Tired, see, oh. No peace for the weekend. No peace for as you make your bed, now so you lie on top. The measure you give, now so you go receive. Whatever you sow, now him you go reap. Oh, now so come to I, sister, make you watch when you dey perform an evil act to someone's family. And you the farm say, cast by lights, ayo, disaster from every way. Oh, disaster, and of hatred and of jealousy. Disaster from everywhere. Hey, this is wickedness, oh, to scatter a family. Oh, it is devilish, oh. So what would you gain? Oh, this is so mean, oh, to take away someone's joy. It's an act of heartlessness. Oh, be careful who you confide in when it comes to sharing your secret. Hey, not everyone that smile with you that wish you well, my sister. Some friends they come like enemies. Some enemies they come like friends. Imagine the pain when someone you trusted so much turn out to be your enemy. This is wickedness, oh, to scatter a family. Oh, it is devilish, oh. So what would you again. Oh, this is so mean, to take away someone's joy. It's an act of heartlessness. Oh, disaster cast by lies. Ayo, disaster from every way. Oh, disaster, and of hatred and of jealousy. Disaster from everywhere. Hey, this is wickedness, oh, to scatter a family. Oh, it is devilish, oh. So what would you